Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to all of you. Okay, today, to begin our lesson today, we're going to revise a little bit what we have learned during previous lesson. So, during previous lesson, we learned about telling the time. Okay, belajar tentang uh, bercerita untuk memberitahu masa. Okay, so these are the four keywords that you have to remember. It has to stick in your mind every time. Okay, mesti ingat setiap hari benda ni. Okay, the first one is the word o'clock. This one is o'clock. Okay, and then quarter past, suku. Half past, setengah. Okay, and quarter past, 45 lah. Kalau kita cakap dalam bahasa Melayu, pukul berapa? Ni 1.45. So quarter to means 45 minit lah. Alright, so basic, simple yang ini. Okay, if we go to detail, kita ada yang 5, 10, 20, 25, isn't it? Okay, for example, 5 past, 10 past, 20 past, 25 past, 25 to, 22, 10 to, and 5 to. Okay, right now I want you to take out your Get Smart book. I want you to turn on page 8. Okay, ke surat 8 of your textbook. Okay. Alright, okay, I think you have grabbed your textbook and turn on the same page as mine, right? Okay, now if you look at the top, on the top of the page, okay, you're gonna see these words. Okay. Ice skating ring, ice skate, the chess. Okay, now I'm going to play the audio and you have to listen to it carefully.
Module 1. Our World. Vocabulary. Ice skating rink. Ice skate. Play chess. Football. Play badminton.
Okay, football and play badminton, you can see it on page 9. Okay, should I repeat it? Okay, it's okay. We move to this one, a day in the life of a figure skater. So you have to pay attention to this. I'm going to play this audio twice.
1. What do Megan and Pablo do every day? Listen and read. Social studies.
A day in the life of a figure skater. Megan, 9. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. A chess player. Pablo, 10. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and plays chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock.
Okay, I'm going to repeat.
1. What do Megan and Pablo do every day? Listen and read. Social studies.
A day in the life of a figure skater. Megan, 9. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. A chess player. Pablo, 10. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and plays chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock.
Okay, so if you notice, there are a few words that you are familiar with, especially in something that we have learned in previous lesson. For example, the word 6:30, 7:45, 8 o'clock, 8:15, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock. So your first task today is, okay, you have to draw a clock that shows the following time. Lukiskan 1 jam, just like in previous activity. Okay, that shows the time. So I want you to know what time is it actually. 6:30 di pukul berapa, 8:15 pukul berapa. Okay, I want you to get familiar with it. Okay, so that is your first task. Okay, you can pause this video and take a note or rewrite this in your book. Okay, I'll do it on the same book as in previous lessons. Okay, I don't want to take much time on this. Okay, next. Okay, next we're going to look at how are we going to answer if somebody gives you a question like does, that begin with does. Okay, for example, does she wake up at 8 o'clock? Okay, or does he play chess? Okay, so when somebody gives you if you got a question that begins with the word does, okay, and you want to answer, it's a simple answer with yes or no. Okay, it is more appropriate if you use this phrase. Okay, yes, he or she does, or no, he or she doesn't. Okay, he is for male. Okay, male character, yang lelaki. Okay, sebab kata ganti diri, he is the third person pronoun, kata ganti nama diri yang ketiga untuk lelaki, and she is the third person pronoun for female, untuk perempuan. Okay, kalau for example, does Aminah ... Okay, that means, okay, we have to answer yes or no, she does, or yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. If the question goes like this, does Ahmad play badminton? Okay, you want to answer yes or no. Okay, yes, she does, or no, he doesn't. Kalau ya dia main badminton, yes, he does. Kalau dia tak main badminton, no, he doesn't. Okay, tukar je. Kalau perempuan, tukar she. Kalau lelaki, guna he. Kalau yes, does. Kalau no, doesn't. Simple, right? Okay. So get on page 9. Okay, I want you to answer these questions. Okay, but you have to answer this in your book, in your exercise book. just continue with the, the, the previous task that I gave you. After you draw the clock, then you continue with this one. Okay? You cannot answer this in your textbook. Okay. Read again and answer the questions. Read again means that you have to reread the text about Megan and Pablo, right? So this one they give you the first the example. Okay. Does Megan go to school at 20 to 8? Based on the text, okay, yes or no? So the answer here is no. No, she doesn't. Okay. Next, does Pablo go to school at 8:15? Yes or no? If yes, yes he does. If no, no he doesn't. Okay. Same goes to the other questions. So that's all for today. I hope that you can finish your task for this week. For today, that's all, and thank you. Goodbye. Bye.